Cooking dinner, what's the matter? You got a hangover? Stayed out all night last night, huh?
Yeah, man, I'm finna go in here and fix me something there. I'm gonna show them what to do. Oh,
Don't go in there, burn up nothing now.
oh, I ain't. Oh, welcome to the Cooking Journal, y'all, man. Hey, y'all had them nights before. I know you have. Man, I got one right now. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what to do when you have one of them there. You got that craving moment. You just want something to eat cheap, quick, fast, that you ain't gonna just, get yourself out. Now, you can do your little breakfast like that there. And that's what I got out, man. You know what I'm saying? I got, everything y'all need right here. But I know if you got that, you don't really want to be missing no grits. You got eggs and stuff like that there. Nah, I went by Dollar Tree. This is what I'm going to use. Now, it's got two different types. It's a beef and bean right here. And I got a red hot beef right there. And then, what I'm saying, I want to make some little sauce and all that there. And I got a little stuff like that there. But I'm going to show you how to get this here. I'm going to concentrate on this because when you got a hangover, you don't need to be on that stove, you know what I'm saying, throw in that microwave and you're through. So let's concentrate on this. I'm going to take all these ingredients and I'm going to just eliminate some and I'm going to show you how you make these bad boys. Hey, this is just a bonus video for you. Cooking General, man. Ask somebody. Help! Hey, come pick me up.
Cooking dinner, where you going? Thought you wasn't gonna lose that stove.
No, I got it under control. Come here, let me show you something. Look at them. I put them sausages in the oven. Look at, I got them ready. And look here, I got the butter and cheese grits. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this here. Since I've been drinking, I'm gonna use this here red hot beef. Now you take it up and you open it up like that there. You get you some sausage, stick it off in there like that there. Just put it in there like that. Oh man, I'm telling you. Man, if you single and you come on with one of these here hangovers or headache, whatever, something quick, there you go. Man, you want to get you some of this cheese here. You want to put that cheese on it, just like that there. Just take it, kind of break it off and just put it in there just like that there. All the way on down. So you have cheese on all of it. Then you want to take it and you want to put some of them pepperonis on there just like that. Man, I'm telling you, when you drinking all this, it makes sense, boy. I'm telling you, it makes sense. Ask anybody else who y'all single like that, man. Y'all tell them. I've been doing this for years. I'm the cooking general. And now we're going to microwave this here. And boy, yeah. You think something wrong with me?
Yeah, you're drunk.
He's drunk. If I was drunk, could I do this here? Check this out here.
Yeah. Keep on saying that shit with your hangover self.
All right, there we go. That's ready to cook in general, boy. Now, you see there? You want to put you something, man? Look at that. I got some onion sauteing. I'm going to do me some eggs. I got to help him do this here, man, because I don't want nobody to be coming down my shit. Look at that. I save my bacon grease. So that's bacon grease there. That gives the flavor. And I got my eggs here. And I had a little salt in there. I got a little white pepper in there. And I got some of this here garlic and black pepper here. And we're going to scramble up some eggs. And them onions, boy, if y'all old school, y'all know about them eggs and onions. Boy, let me get this whipped up. Whipped up. Man. Y'all, boy, I'm telling you, this was how we did it back then. You didn't have to be drinking and... Hey, hello? You still here? She gone? Good. I'm not doing anything. I'm cooking. You smell them eggs?
Yeah.
Boy, you better ask somebody. All right. Boy, look at that, y'all. Man, look at that. When you got one of them well, ain't no hangover. Look at that. I got them cheesy grits there. Cut piece of sausage. Got some eggs. Some butter toast. And that burrito with that pepper on it, man. This is something quick, fast, and throw it together. Hey, hook it up. Man, I'm telling you. Boy, I think she left. Boy, I tell you, boy, man, forget that. Look in general, y'all.